11th sum. I need to prove this determinant is divisible by x power 4. So I taken this determinant. In this determinant I am going to give some tricks for you. Nothing but I am going to take a common from a and b and c common from r1 comma r2 comma r3. This means a I am going to take common a from r1 and b from r2 and c from r3. So what going to become? See, listen. This is r1. There is a. I can take a outside, so it becomes a plus, but here there is no a, so I want to put x square by a. There is a here, so I can put b. There is a I taken comma also, so I am going to put a c. And b from r2, there is b, so I can put a, put b here. Here b square, so I can put b. There is no b at all, so I need to put x square by b. Here b I can put c. Now in r3 I need to take common element called c. After taking c, the remaining is a. Take c outside, the remaining is going to be. Take c outside, c plus, there is no c at all, becomes x square by c. So becomes abc. Now this abc should be, this a should be multiplied with c1, b should be multiplied with c2, and c should be multiplied with c3. A is multiplied with c1, b is multiplied with c2, and c is multiplied with c3. So what going to becomes? If a is going to multiply in c1, a into a is a square plus, if a is going to multiply, a and k is cancel, nothing but x square. A into a square, a into a square. Next multiply b, b into b square, b into b square plus, so b is multiplier, b and b gets cancelled, nothing but x square. B into b square. Next c into c square, c into c square, c into c square plus c and c gets cancelled, remaining is x square. So this is one of the determinant. Next I am going to make a small change in r1 and r2 alone. I want to expand this expansion. I can't able to do with this element, so I am going to make any two elements going to be 0. I am going to make any two elements 0, so I am going to make this element and this element as 0, so it becomes very easy to do this sum. So there is no change in r3, right? R3 as it is, a square, b square, c square plus x square. I am going to change r1 tends to r1 minus r2. So r1 minus r2. R1 minus r2 means I will put inside here a square. This is r1 a square plus x square, minus r2 is minus a square. Both will be cancelled, remaining is x square. Next you can cancel b square minus r2 minus b square minus x square. Both will be cancelled, remaining is x square. C square minus c square is nothing but 0. Next r2 I am going to change. R2 tends to R2 minus R3. R2 minus R3. A square minus a square is 0. R2 minus R3. So b square plus x square minus b square. Both will be cancelled. Remaining is x square. Here c square minus c square minus x square. Both will be cancelled. Remaining is x square. So from this what you know? In this x square is common. In this x square I can take x square from r1, I can take x square from r2. So what is going to become? See, so taking x square common from r1 and taking x square common from r2, the remaining is 1 1 0 0 1 1 a square b square c square plus x square. Now I can expand. This become plus, minus and plus. X square into x square, x power 4. Now I can make expansion. Plus 1, open the bracket, minus. Minus 1, open the bracket, minus. This one is 0. I don't need to do that because 0 into anything is 0. So I don't need to expand. We are going to take 1. 1 into c square plus x square is nothing but c square plus x square. Next b square into 1 is nothing but b square. C square x square, next b square. For this one, this row and this column, 0 into c square x square is nothing but 0. A square 1 is nothing but a square. So x power 4 is becomes nothing but c square plus x square minus b square minus into minus plus a square. So we can arrange x power 4 a square minus b square plus c square plus x square. If we are going to see this term, this value is divisible by x power 4. What is the question? I need to find this value. I need to find the value of determinant. That determinant value should be divisible by 64. See, if we are going to put divide, if we take, for example, if we are going to take x power 4 a square minus b square plus c square plus x square divide by x power 4, both will be cancelled. It's a divisible one. Is a divisible one. So no problem for us. Therefore, is divisible by 64. Sorry, divisible by x power 4. Hence proved. That's all.